Hey there! Do you want to know more about creating a WhatsApp campaign with CEQUENS? Keep watching to learn more. Firstly, head on to Create Campaigns located right under the campaign wizard. Add a name for your campaign under the campaign title and click on WhatsApp. Once selected, click on Start Building Campaign, followed by which you will be asked to select a sender ID. Once configured, you can proceed to upload contacts. A sample format of the contacts file is on the right side of the page. Continue to upload the file, followed by mapping the contacts from the uploaded file. You can then select one of your pre-approved templates or customize one as per your needs. Lastly, you have the campaign summary, which shows the summary of the necessary details, including the total recipients and the message. You can either schedule the campaign or send it right away. That's it. That's how simple it is to create a WhatsApp campaign with CEQUENS. We hope you're ready to give it a try yourself. Thanks for watching.